going on? My name's Brad. In today's video, I'm going to be installing my winter setup on my 86. Kind of see it out there. I got a couple different cameras, so I'm getting used to it. But these are going to be the wheels. There's some Ankies with some Bridgestone Blizzaks. I'm not really sure how these are going to work. I picked them up from some local guy. He had them on his VRZ. But I have the stockies on right now. As you can see, I'll do a quick little cut. So the stockies are a slightly different size. These are 17 by 8, I believe, and the stockies are 18 by 8 or 8.5. I'm not sure. I'll put it on screen, but we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so now that I get the 86 in the crash here, jacked up, and then we'll start putting on the winter setup. Oh, I forgot a wheel chuck. Can't forget those. Safety. So important, I can't tell if you guys can see really well, but you get the tire rotation facing the right way. The previous owner had these on the front, but I'm going to move them to the rear. I think he said there's only 1,000 miles on them, but it doesn't hurt to have them rotated, so we'll see how that goes. We got a bunch of them. I used to have these on my 240. I think they're just a different face so that they don't mess up the wheel. So the best part about these things is the socket that they come with makes it super easy to put them on the car because of how long the socket is. Alright, so I'm not sure how these are going to fit. These look pretty beefy compared to the stock ones. And maybe once it settles down a little bit, when I drop the car, this will like kind of tilt in a little bit with the camber. Nice and slow. Oh, we might be kind of good. That's a little concerning there, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going to torque these down. And then I'm going to do the front, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so again, I think it might just be okay. There's still like a hand gap in there. It might be good. Got them on the car now. Got them all torqued down. Take the stop out. I know you can't see that, but there's one there and one there. So let's hop in and see if it's gonna run. Alright, one thing I don't think it has is tire pressure sensors, so it's probably gonna stay flat on all of them. I didn't check the air in them, so we're gonna have to do that too, but it'll just drop, so let's go. Of course, there's not really going to be much performance driving on these, but here's a bump. So far, so good. I don't hear any rubbing. We just hit a bunch of bumps on the left side. Alright, so I got the car back in, jacked it up. I tightened the sway bar end links, and I retightened my coilover like locking rings. Those seem kind of loose, and the car sounds a lot quieter than what I heard before. I'm sure you guys couldn't hear it. But I got the winter wheels all set now. I'm going to take some B-roll so you guys can see what it looks like. They're alright. They're not my favorite, but here we go. All right, so I forgot one last step. I'm gonna take the air compressor and make sure all the tires are set to the right PSI. Alright, so I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Again, this is my very first video, so it's probably horrible, but I just wanted to show the process of getting my 86 set up for winter, and catch you guys next time. Peace.